Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I will be redecorating my family room behind me, giving it a refresh. I did go ahead and rearrange the furniture. I rearranged the sofa right here and the one right here behind me. And then I also put these two accent chairs right here. So I am loving the new look. The space is so much more open, and as you guys can see, it is a lot of sunlight that comes in, so I'm super excited about that as well. So I will be giving this space a complete refresh, more of a winter redecorate. The pillows that are in the chair right now is from Christmas, so I do need to change those out. So if you guys would love to see how I redecorate my family room, give it a winter refresh, then keep on watching this video and I hope you guys enjoy it. Hey guys, so here's a quick overview of how the family room is looking, and ever since I did go ahead and rearrange the furniture, the space is so much more open and I am loving it. I am so in love with how the space is looking. So before I get right into decorating, I am going to do a quick cleaning up of the family room. Nothing too much, just a quick cleaning, and then I'll start decorating the family room. So I hope you guys enjoy this video and definitely give it a thumbs up.
Be the one, face the heat and maybe make a promise and make it through all our flaws, 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 all our flaws. It's a cold embrace, ain't it? It's a big mistake to be falling back to the stuff we know will fail. Stop my thoughts for no given reason, none at all. No, it's not the way I planned. No, it's not the way I wanted. No, it's not the things I meant. Know that I'm not being honest. Not the way I wanted us to make sense. I just wanna be the one who loves you. I just wanna be the one. Face the heat and maybe make a promise and make it through all our flaws, 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 all our flaws. Hey, you better make it worth it. Just stay, just stay. I just wanna be the one who loves you. I just wanna be the one. Face the heat and maybe make a promise and make it through all our flaws, 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 and make it through all our flaws, 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 all our I'm diving in the deep blue. I am looking for you tonight. I'm diving in the deep blue. I am looking for you, my love. I don't like it when we're fighting, 'cause you always make me cry, yeah. I'm diving in the deep blue. I am looking for you, 'cause you're the one, oh, yeah, you're the just drives me crazy. But you know I'll do anything for you, baby. 'Cause you're the one I want. I'm driving in the moonlight. I am looking for signs tonight. I'm driving in the moonlight. I am looking for signs all night. I just wanna see your strike cars. You are everything I need, love. I'm driving in the moonlight. I am looking for signs. 'Cause you're the one I want. Yeah, you're the one I love. All this fussing and fighting just drives me crazy. But you know I'll do anything for you, baby. 'Cause you're the one I want. Crazy, but you know I'll do anything for you, baby. 'Cause you're the one I want. The one I want. The one I love. You don't ever wanna tell me what you're thinking. One sentence is too much for your tangled mind. Don't know what's worse, the waiting or the frustration. It's hard to care about you. I watch you fall apart, like pouring water over your fading spark. Isn't it enough already? Isn't it enough now, baby? Isn't it enough, 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 enough? We keep on riding on the freeway, keep pretending that it's pretense. Sinking down low, the further we go, the better it feels. We keep on driving like there's no end. Keep on wishing for a better day. Sinking down low, the further we go, the better it feels, the better it feels, yeah, yeah. You don't ever wanna tell me what you're feeling. One word out of your mouth, it's like starting a fire. Don't know what's worse, the pain or the hesitation. It's hard to make it through. I watch you fall apart, like pouring water over your fading spark. Isn't it enough already? Isn't it enough now, baby? Isn't it enough, 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 enough? We keep on riding on the freeway, keep pretending that it's pretense. Sinking down low, the further we go, the better it feels. We keep on driving like there's no end. Keep on wishing for a better day. Sinking down low, the further we go, the better it feels, the better it feels, yeah, yeah. The better, the better, the better, oh, the better, the better, the better, the better it feels, the better it feels, yeah, yeah. The better, the better, the better, oh, the better, the better. I watch you fall apart, just not that I don't listen. It's just the way you're coming so close to me. It's just not that I don't feel the tension. It's just the way I want you to come closer. But they don't even know your name. It's just not that I don't listen. It's just the way you're coming so close to me. It's just not that I don't feel the tension. It's just the way I want you to come closer.
So here it is, guys. The family room is all decorated for winter and I am loving it. It looks so good. It's cleaned, it's refreshed, everything is just really bright and airy and I am so loving this look. So pretty, you guys. And here is the coffee table. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and enjoy me decorating for winter. Everything turned out really good, and if you guys would love to see more videos like this, definitely subscribe to the channel, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you soon in the next video. And thank you guys so much for watching. Bye!